Last week on the Wizard of SOM, Science of Mind, Dorothy's travels brought her to a crossroad where the signs were confusing, as one said home and the other said San Jose. She met the Scarecrow, a lovable character who had always longed to write a book, but felt she was not smart enough because she never finished college. Negativa called again to remind Dorothy that she hadn't always made the best choices, prompting Dorothy and the Scarecrow to set off together in the opposite direction of San Jose to find the wizard.
This looks like a good place to have a picnic.
I'm so glad you decided to come with me. You're great company.
Whoa.
What was that?
Whoa.
I think that statue just said, get a room.
Are you sure that's what he said? Hey, talking statue, what did you say?
Whoa.
Turn it on?
You want us to turn something on?
No. Oh.
Dude, rock on. Did you say dude, rock on?
No.
I think he's really troubled. He needs something.
What's wrong? How can we help you?
I don't think he's deaf. He appears to be in some kind of distress.
Whoa.
Oh, he wants us to help him up.
No.
Hey, here's all his stuff. What's this?
It's Tiger Bomb.
Whoa.
Oh, he's saying Tiger Bomb.
Whoa.
Is this on you?
Oh.
His mouth. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Where else?
My arms. Please, get my arms.
How did you get stuck?
I've been stuck most of my adult life.
Like a pretzel?
It's the lotus position. I was trying to meditate. My life was stuck. It was a mess. I climbed the corporate ladder unscrupulously. I worked to the exclusion of everything else, ignored my family, betrayed friends.
Wow, sounds pretty heartless.
No, she's right. She's right. And I became so stressed over nothing. I'm heartless. I became so stressed over nothing but work. And the way I had allowed work to isolate me from everything, I knew I had to do something different. So I went to a psychologist, and she recommended meditation.
So then you decided to sit under a tree? Like Buddha?
You know Buddha?
Exactly, only meditation didn't work because I was still stressing about what was happening out there, and when I get stressed, I tense up. And that's how I got stuck, physically and mentally stuck.
Well, it seems to me that meditation can't be about what's out there. Meditation is more inward focused. It's breathing and stillness. It's more about what's happening in here. Meditation has to come from your heart. But what do I know?
You're brilliant. That's exactly right. Only, how can it come from the heart if I'm heartless?
You're not heartless. You just got stuck. And now you're unstuck. You should come with us to see the wizard. He'll help you find your heart.
The Wizard of SOM?
Yes.
He's going to help me find my brain.
And he's going to help me find my way home.
Well, it's not like I have any place to go. Still have a bit of kink in my back, though. Could you help me? Oh. Hey, nice shoes.
Are you all set?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you have a Sony Toto. Do you My limbs appear to be working now, but I'm starting to stress again.
About what?
Oh, you name it. I could stress about the market, my car and where to park it, the house, my kids, my wife. I could stress over nothing like the calories in a muffin. That's the way I live my life. I would like some peace and quiet, if only I could buy it at Nordstrom or Walmart.
Keep up with your meditation, maybe take a long vacation and you'll find it in your heart.
Picture me, a man of ease. My blood pressure is low. I live a life that's balanced and I know that all is well. I'm in the flow. Just to not be always stressing would be the greatest lesson the wizard could impart. I could feel less psychotic if my life was less chaotic, so I'll look to find my heart.